Hey guys, G's Vintage Fan Chat here today with another ceiling fan video. Today we have a fully restored, still needs a little bit of cleaning and some touch-ups, but for the most part, most of the way restored 1996 JCPenney GE vent. This one here needed a hell of a lot of work when I got it. It needed mounting, it needed blades, it needed a switch cap and light. Needed most of the screws added, except for the blade screws and motor housing. It had all that. And then it also needed the motor coils to be repaired. In other words, I had to take everything off, pop that faceplate of the motor off right there, and redo the zip ties in there because they were all crumbling apart. Anyway, also you can turn on subtitles if you want. Here, I don't want to. While I do this, here's the light. Light pull chain starting to stick. Here you go. Here's the light. The shades on this light are off of a Walmart thing. Here is low. Yeah, it looks good without the... It does move a hell of a lot of air. I will give it that. It moves a lot of air. So... I still need to clean it, because it still got some tarnishing, or not tarnishing, but it still got some grime and debris on it. Just the light off, by the way. Here is medium. So here it does wobble a bit. Hey, can you feel it? Yeah. That's pretty good since I've restored it. Yeah, the wobble's getting a little bit worse. Okay. Wobble's a little bit worse on it. I'm gonna do this. There we go. See how the lighting looks on that? Yeah, that's much better. Now we'll go up to high speed. See here, it does wobble, but it does really good. Glad I was able to salvage it. So, bearings have been oiled. They're still a bit noisy, but bearings have been oiled, and the blades are off of, in one of my past videos where I removed that unknown hugger out of that house remodel that had the really fucked up light, or not the light, but the really bent blade arm and everything, and it didn't half run. The blades that are on this are from it. Because that fan is completely trashed. And now we will do somewhat spin down. I'll turn the light on for this. And that is it. Alright, see ya.